WICxSaksham initiative aims to create AI Innovator ecosystem for a $7 trillion Viksit Bharat. With Veeam Software and Grace Hopper Celebration India, WICxSaksham will create the largest public-private partnership to empower 1 million Indians for an AI-ready future. Bengaluru, 2nd December 2025, in a bid to create a Cyber Resilient Viskit Bharat, Women in Cloud, a global economic development organization unlocking $1 billion in access for women by 2030, announced the launch of WICxSaksham initiative, a 3-year...
And I'm happy to be here. So we are in the middle of Women in Cloud Saksham Bharat campaign, which is part of the larger Viksit and Cyber Surakshit Bharat program that Veeam has launched for India. So this is a mission where we are working along with the academia, with leaders from the government and policymakers as well as industry to make sure that India's future is ready and bright when it comes to tackling the threats that are there for the Indian economy. And we are committed to building this pool of talent and resources. And it's a very structured program. I work with Veeam Software as the managing director for India and SAARC business, and being the number one company in data resilience with more than 550,000 customers worldwide, I think we are in a unique place to lead these initiatives of making Bharat Saksham.
Sir, can this Bharat Cyber Suraksha becomes an Indian shield against this digital charge?
Of course. When we look at how fast India is growing, we know about the numbers, 8.2% growth of GDP. And this obviously means that not just the economy is growing, but also is the digital economy. And this means there are several threats to the economy as well, not just because we are in a competitive and a global market, but there are also geopolitical tensions around us. Our individual data is at threat, and so is the government and establishments' data is at risk. The large organizations that represent India worldwide are also facing serious challenges to their data, and India has seen like 53% increase in the number of attacks over the last 2 years. So it is very important that we make sure that all of this information is protected. We are cyber resilient, not just as individuals, as companies, but also as an economy. And I mean, in the middle of the digital chaos that we are experiencing, it is important that we bring those capabilities and we create a pool of talent who are equipped to really support the Cyber Resilient and Cyber Surakshit Bharat initiative. But yeah, when we are on this drive of Cyber Saksham and Cyber Surakshit Bharat, this cannot happen in an unstructured or in a siloed way. So we need to partner with the industry. We have a lot of friends, not just worldwide, but in India, they have their operations here. We are partner, and I'm talking about friends in the IT industry. We are partnering with Women in Cloud and several other partners. We are working along with the academia as well, and with the policy makers, in the government establishment. So, this partnership is helping us be more prepared and structured in our approach, to drive the initiative of Cyber Surakshit Bharat. I am Sandeep Bhambure, Vice President and Managing Director for Veeam India and SAARC.
Thanks.
Thank you for coming here. I am Chaitra Vedalapalli. I'm the President of Women in Cloud. Really excited to launch WICxSaksham initiative. It's a landmark initiative for skilling 1 million people in the tech industry. And this one is done as a public-private collaboration and first of a kind, where we are co-creating an initiative which will focus on getting 1 million people certified in cloud, cyber, and AI with our partners. And the way we are doing is with 4 pillars in there. One is ensuring we have a Maho Saksham campaign, which allows people to have a visibility of when they complete their certification. The second one is collaboration with the universities to establish a center of excellence around cyber resilience and AI readiness using a DevSecOps ready programming. And the third is focused on awards and recognitions for everyone who's contributing to the success of India's movement around becoming a developed country. So we're very excited to contribute to the Cyber Suraksha initiative that is led by Veeam under Sandeep Bambare's leadership, and very excited to be here.
Thank you. Thank you. Next.
College of Engineering, who has been the pioneer in establishing a center of excellence with Women in Cloud over the last 2.5 years. And he is actually leading the charter on developing the students to be DevSecOps ready and AI Ops ready for India. So I would love you to tell what made you be part of this journey 2.5 years ago, and what is the success you have seen?
Okay, namaskara, namaste to all of you. Good morning. So very happy to be here on a very important mission in Bangalore city. So we got connected with Women in Cloud. Almost we started working 4 years back, and it materialized 3 years back. And I'm very happy to inform that Chaitra Vedalapalli is a RV alumnus. She studied in our college and settled in USA. And she came out with a good concept of having women in cloud in the technology of cloud actually. But now I am sure that there are a lot of integration technologies which are coming up. So one in terms of cloud technology, other in terms of the security itself, which is very, very important across all the sectors of economy. And also the AI is going to become a super layer for all those things. So we are a capacity builders in the technical education in Karnataka, and hope the students would be very much beneficial through this. And so that's how we have taken up this kind of an exercise to get connected with Women in Cloud. And of course, with Veeam we are working, with Saksham project we are working. We are definitely going to give a lot of capacity in terms of the women. Of course, men is also there in women, the word itself. So obviously, there will be a lot of people would be trained. In fact, initially when we planned, we have a project of training 1 million women by another next decade. I think there's a huge project. So there is a part, and lot of activities have been done in RV College. In fact, through Women in Cloud, a lot of funding also has come for us for training the women. It could be in terms of engineers, the ITIs, the diplomas, or the people who are not having jobs also. So we have tried to provide a lot of placement also for a lot of girl students in the college. Okay. Not only RVC, but for other girls from other places also. So it is a good ecosystem which is getting developed, and I hope we are going to meet the requirements of the nation in terms of AI, cybersecurity, and also DevOps.
Okay. What is the main role of women in cybersecurity?
The role of women in cybersecurity, I would say is, when you think about a nation, you think about an organization, or even think about a family, they all need to be protected. So there's a basic skill you need to have to protect your country or your organization or your family. So that particular skilling needs to happen ground up, and we need to make sure that is available for each and everyone. It's not just for women, but everyone in this country right now. Because the big thing is, in India, 1 million digital transactions are happening every week and every day, like you can see. So if you are not really protecting your data effectively, it's going to compromise a lot of the systems around you. So we want to make sure everyone is protected.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.